The menstrual cycle. Most females begin to menstruate between the ages of 10 and 15. Menstruation or monthly shedding of the lining of the uterus known as the endometrium. Number 1. The menstrual cycle begins when an egg matures or ripens in any one of the ovaries. Number 2. The mature egg is released from the ovary. Number 3. The thickened uterus will serve as the home for developing embryo. Number 4. If pregnancy does not successfully happen, the endometrium breaks down or is destroyed and discharged from the body. Number 5. The menstrual cycle lasts 24 days. Number 6. The endocrine system plays an important role in the menstrual cycle. During the first half of the cycle, hormone FSH stimulates an egg to mature. When the egg starts to develop, it secretes estrogen, which causes the endometrium to also start thickening. Number 9. In the middle of the menstrual cycle, which is about day 14, the level of luteinizing hormone start to rise. Ovulation occurs. Number 10. The ovary releases the egg and travels into the fallopian tube. Number 11. It takes 7 days for the egg to travel into the fallopian tube going to the uterus. Number 12. The production of progesterone increases after the time the egg reaches the uterus as progesterone increases. It maintains the growth of the endometrium. Number 13. If the egg has been not fertilized, progesterone and estrogen levels drop. The endometrium breaks down and the unfertilized egg passes out of the body, the vagina.